Good afternoon, students. Today in GK for class 8th, our topic is Animals in Danger. This is the 12th chapter of your book, Animals in Danger. So, far your book is concerned, we're having proboscis monkeys, Mexican walking fish, Sumatran rhino, ai, pronghorn, and Sumatran tiger. So one by one we will be discussing these. Firstly, animals in danger. What do you know by animals in danger? Animals in danger means endangered animals or endangered species. An endangered species is a species that is very likely to become extinct in the near future, either worldwide or in a particular political jurisdiction. It means that animals in danger are those animals which are either extinct, they are extincting, they are becoming extinct within future, within a couple of years or decades. They'll not be available in the world or in a particular region. Endangered species may be at risk due to factors such as why they are becoming endangered. There are the factors such as habitat loss is there, poaching is there, invasive species is there. The International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN red list lists the global conservation status of many species, and various other agencies assess the status of species within particular areas. Many nations have laws that protect conservation relevant species, which, for example, forbid hunting, restrict land development, or create protected areas. Some endangered species are the target of extensive conservation efforts, such as captive breeding and habitat restoration. So, uh, there are various agencies, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Many agencies, many are working for these animals. So for our country is concerned, there are so many departments we are working to safeguard these animals, to safeguard their habitat, to stop the people for poaching, or so so that these species can be saved and they can live. So for your book is concerned, their first one, Sumatran tiger. These striped animals are inhabitants of the rainforests. Just 400 of the type have been left in the wild. So only 400. The Sumatran tiger is a Panthera tigris sondaica population in the Indonesian island of Sumatra. This population was listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List in 2008, as it was estimated at 441 to 679. So it is in between that, minimum 400, maximum 600. Now presently it is 400 with no subpopulation larger than 50 individuals and a declining trend. So they are day by day they are declining. The next is pronghorn. This antelope is found in South Africa. It is the second fastest land mammal. It can run at a speed of up to 90 km per hour. The pronghorn is the only surviving member of the Antilocapridae family, and it has been in North America for over a million years. The pronghorn has a deer-like body. It weighs between 90 and 120 pounds and stands about 31 oblique 2 feet tall from shoulder to feet. It has a tan to reddish brown body. Speed 98 kilometers. Maximum 90 is average. Scientific name Antilocapra americana. Family Antilocapridae. Order A. Height 81 to 100 centimeter adult at shoulder. Mammalia. Male 40 to 65 kilogram adult. Female 34 to 48 kilogram adult. Speed. II. Found in Madagascar, they have faces that look like a cross between a bat and a young bear. The is a long-fingered lemur, a stripsarian primate native to Madagascar with rodent-like teeth that perpetually grow and a special thin middle finger. It is the world's largest nocturnal primate. Family. Scientific name Dubenchonia madagascariensis. Mammalia kingdom Amelia. Order Primatus. Next is Sumatran rhinoceros. Sumatran rhinoceros. The thick folded skin hoofed mammal is found in reserves of Sumatra. It is the smallest and hairiest of all its species. The Sumatran rhinoceros, also known as a hairy rhinoceros or Asian two-horned rhinoceros, is a rare member of the family Rhinoceros and one of 5 extinct species of rhinoceros. It is the only extinct species of the genus. The next is Mexican walking fish. Mexican walking fish. The axolotl. They are fishes but have legs. They are a type of salamander and officially called axolotls. The axolotl Ambystoma mexicanum, also known as Mexican walking fish, is a neotenic salamander related to the tiger salamander. Although the axolotl is colloquially known as walking fish, it is not a fish but an amphibian. Conservation status critically endangered, population decreasing. Scientific name Ambystoma mexicanum, amphibia, Ambystoma animal, length 23 centimeter. And the last one is proboscis monkeys. An amazing feature of these monkeys is their suck nose, that is huge protruding noses, which makes them look quite funny. It is found only on the islands of Borneo in Southeast Asia. The proboscis monkey or long-nosed monkey, known as the Bekantan in Indonesia, is an arboreal old world monkey with an unusually large nose, a reddish brown skin color, and a long tail. It is endemic to the Southeast Asian island of Borneo and is found mostly in mangrove forests and on the coastal areas of the island. Scientific name Nasalis larvatus, family Sarcopithecidia, Mammalia class, kingdom Amelia. Conservation status, it is again endangered. So these are the 6 types of endangered animals which are in your book. So far the world is concerned, there are many more animals which are endangered or which are in danger, which are nearly to extinct. So we should uh, follow the agencies, the departments who are working for these endangered species. We should make people aware that everyone in this world is important as we humans are important for this world. Same is the case, these animals are having the same importance on this world. So we should never trouble their habitat. We should never uh, do such a thing by which any of the species in this world gets extinct. Thank you.